Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Today in this video I will talk about how to get Wakala power of attorney online without visiting Kitaba Adal Notary Public in Saudi Arabia. First of all, there are certain important definitions which we need to understand before I proceed for this video. First of all, power of attorney, Wakala. A written document given by one person, client Muwakkil, to authorize another person, representative Wakeel, to act on behalf of client Muwakkil. Client Muwakkil, the person who authorizes another person as a representative Wakeel to act on his or her behalf. Representative Wakeel, the person who is authorized by another person, client Muwakkil, to act on his or her behalf. Introduction. Today in this video, I will talk about how to get Wakala, power of attorney, online without visiting Kitaba Adal Notary Public. This power of attorney can be obtained for various purposes, but the main purpose of this video is to explain the complete procedure for obtaining a power of attorney Wakala online without visiting Kitaba Adal Notary Public, in which a person, client Muwakkil, who is going on final exit and wants to authorize another person, representative Wakeel, to receive his or her dues on his or her behalf. Steps to apply for online power of attorney Wakala. First step, installation and activation of Nafath app on mobile phone if already not done. Number 2, enter the website and access your account in order to avail the service for the issuance of power of attorney Wakala electronically. Website address is najiz.sa. Step number 3, enter the details of the client Muwakkil. Number 4, enter the details of the representative Wakeel. Number 5, determine terms for the power of attorney Bunud Alwakala. Number 6, determine duration for power of attorney Mudat Alwakala. Number 7, inspection of power of attorney Mueayanat Alwakala. Number 8, issuance of power of attorney, download and print. Step number 1, installation and activation of Nafath app on mobile phone. The first step is installation and activation of Nafath app on mobile phone. You can watch complete procedure for installation and activation of Nafath app on my YouTube video. I will share its link in the description of this video. Step number 2, access the service site and account. Type this address in the address bar najiz.sa in order to enter the electronic service website. Now click here to enter the service site. Enter your national ID or Iqama number here. Now click login. Please open Nafath app on your mobile phone and confirm the request by selecting the above number. Now open Nafath app on your mobile phone. Here you will receive a message in Nafath app. Press accept to approve this request. In request number, Please select the number shown on the service provider's side or app. In this case, the number shown in IM emoji side is 14. Select this number. Enter 6-digit PIN which you had created during Nafath app activation. A success message will appear on the screen. Now go back to computer screen. Here you can see now you are logged in to your account to avail electronic service for the issuance of Wakala. In Alwakalat, Wal Iqrarat, Power of Attorney and Declarations section, select the option Isdar Wakala, Issue Power of Attorney. Here, click on the option Isdar Wakala Fardiya, Issue Individual Power of Attorney. Step number 3. Data of Al-Muwakkil, the client. Here is Isdar Wakala Electronia, Issue an Electronic Power of Attorney section. Here is the data of Al-Muwakkil, the client. This is also the main applicant. Here, this is the name of Al-Muwakkil, the client, Al-Jinsiya, nationality of the client. Now Al-Huwayya, type of ID, Raqam Al-Huwayya, ID number, and Tarikh Al-Milad, date of birth. Enter here the Raqam Al-Jawal, mobile number. Now click here Taaqeed to confirm. Here you will see a message Tamma Izafa Al-Muwakkil Binaja. The client has been added successfully. Now click Atali next. Step number 4. Data of Al-Wakeel, the representative. In this step you have to enter the data of Al-Wakeel, the representative. Here in now Al-Huwayya type of ID, select Iqama. Now enter Raqam Al-Iqama, Iqama number. Before selecting date of birth, if you want to enter data in Gregorian, then drag this green dot from Hijri to Miladi Gregorian. In Al-Yawm, day, select the date of birth. In Ash-Shahar, month, select the month of birth. In Asana, year, select the year of birth. Enter Raqam Al-Jawal, mobile number here. Now click Tahakkuk, verify to verify the data of Al-Wakeel, the representative. Now here you can see all data of Al-Wakeel, the representative, the name, nationality, type of gender, mobile number. If you want to add passport details of Al-Wakeel, the representative, then you can enter them here. Enter Raqam Jawaz Safar, passport number here. Enter Masdar Jawaz al-Safar, issuer of passport here. Select day, month and year of issuance of passport here. Now click Izafa, add Alwakil, the representative. Here you will see a message, Tamma Izafa Alwakil Benaja, the representative has been added successfully. Here you will see all details of Alwakil, the representative, ID number, date of birth, mobile number, nationality and type of ID. Now click here Atali next. Now step 5, Bunud Alwakala, terms for the power of attorney. Here in this section you have to determine Bunud Alwakala, terms for power of attorney. Click here Ibhas Annu Alwakala, search the type of power of attorney. A drop-down list of categories will open. Select your desired categories for the power of attorney. In this case, I will select 2 categories and then I will select options from these 2 categories to determine terms for the power of attorney. The first category which I will select is Ar-Rawatib wal Mustahaqqat, salaries and dues. The second category which I will select is Al-Banuk wal Masarif, banks. Now click on the first category, Ar-Rawatib wal Mustahiqat, salaries and dues, to determine its terms. The first option in this category, I will select Istilam Ar-Rawatib, receive salaries. A box will open. Enter the name of authority in Arabic from where salaries will be received. Here in this case, the authority is Wizarat al-Saha wa Sha'un al-Sahya, Ministry of Health and Health Affairs. The other option which I will select is Istilam Mukafa Nihaya al-Khidma wa Ta'weed an al-Ijazat, receipt of end of service benefits and vacation compensation. The other option I will select Tasfiya al-Huquq, payment of entitlements. In the box, write the name of authority in Arabic. Select option Istilam Mustahiqati, receive my dues. In the box, write the name of the authority in Arabic. Now click on the second category, Al-Banuk wal Masarif, banks, to determine its terms. Here are Khayarat Ama, general options. Click on Muraja to open a list of options. Select Bank and Masraf. Then enter the name, in this case Bank Ar-Raji. Also select the option Jami al-Banuk wal Masarif, all banks. Select option As-Sahab min al-Hisabat. Select option At-Tahwil min al-Hisabat, transfer from account. Then select option بالعملة المحلية in the local currency. Select option صرف الشيكات cash the checks. Select the option تنشيط الحسابات account activation. Select the option استلام الشيكات receive checks. Select the option تحديث البيانات update data. Here are خيارات خاصة special options. If you want transfer of all dues in the account of Alwakil, the representative, then select the option Al-Ida fi al-Hisab. Then enter the account number of Al-Wakil, the representative here. Here in Nas Sabit fixed tax section, do not do anything here. An option will automatically already be selected. Now click Atali next. Now step number 6, Mudda Alwakala, duration of power of attorney. Here in this section, Ar-Raja Tahdid Mudda Alwakala, please specify the duration of power of attorney. Talata Shahur 3 months, Sitta Shahur 6 months, Tissa Shahur 9 months, Sana 1 year. You can select duration from these available options, or you can choose duration manually from here, أو أختار المدة يدويا, or choose the duration manually from here. I will select duration Sana 1 year. Now click Atali next. Step number 7, Muayanat Alwakala, inspection of power of attorney. In this section, inspect the details of power of attorney. Once inspection of power of attorney done, click E'timad Approval. Please enter the verification code sent to your registered mobile number in Upshare. Here you will receive a message that power of attorney has been issued successfully. Give your satisfactory level about the service. Then click Irsal Send. Step number 8, Issuance of power of attorney, download and print. Your assessment has been sent successfully. Click Ighlaq Close. Here you will see a message that Wakala has been issued and both Al-Wakil, the representative, and Al-Muwakkil, the client, will be informed through a message. If you want to download and print a copy of power of attorney, then click arrow here. Here is the power of attorney. Scroll down and click Tahmeel Al-Wakala to download power of attorney. Here is the power of attorney. If you want to print, then click print. Thank you for watching this video.